Hi, Charlotte here, founder of Digiclean Solutions. In manufacturing sites worldwide, tons of chemicals are overused to clean, coat, and cool metal parts. Yet none of these companies can tell if a deviation in quality is coming from poorly managed processes. Today, we are maintaining these process fluids by manual samplings, sent to external labs, and the lack of data makes it impossible to understand if we're adding chemicals when it's needed. We're rather basing our dosaging on guessing, leading to poor quality. Digiclean Solutions changes that. With our smart sensor technology and AI, we can now real-time monitor these process fluids, making it possible to intelligent dose and securing that we're adding chemicals only when it's absolutely critical. We can now transform processes that historically has been hard to maintain, that has been inefficient and wasteful, to predictable ones. We have shown that we can save money, save chemicals, save emissions, and at the same time create stable quality. Proven at leading manufacturers, we have showcased that competitiveness and sustainability can go hand in hand. Applied AI used on chemicals. Less is more.